Okay. X. Okay. Gear HH.
Oh, shoot, okay. I accidentally recovered the fuel truck, so it's time to drive again back to my sample field.
Ooh. Okay, come
I'm
on.
going to make it daytime.
Me landing plane.
Frick, this thing has a turning radius of a bus. Oh, frick.
Aw, dang.
Well, time to flip it back over.
How do you do that?
So, like I said, this thing has a turning radius of a bus. You see that ditch behind me at about a 45-degree angle?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this thing turned into the ditch.
Wow. So, how are you gonna get it out?
Boot option tank.
We're coming in.
So, Miles, you choose. Do I use Russian tank number 1?
Mm-hmm.
At 45C, Pacific P16, Pacific P12, Pacific P512PF, or this monstrosity.
The monstrosity.
Okay. You're gonna see how big this thing is.
Should I have picked one of the Pacifics?
Nope. Although Pacifics are amazing. Dude, look how massive this thing is, though.
Wow.
Chunky thing. Alright. All I should have to do, pull up to here, put my parking brake on, functions, attach a winch, pull up to the side, and then we grab this thing, and then we pull. There we go, problem solved.
100.
Okay, back to driving fuel truck.
20. 10.
Hold on. That was not a butter. Hate that freaking.
Fuel truck might have a lot of dirt on it now, but oh, that's sketchy, boy. You know, I'm gonna stop here, wait for you to come back, see.